guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to edit double exposure in a text. First of all, you need to import a green background video in a timeline. Then go to text, add default text, then write I will write ocean, then change the font style, then adjust the font size, scroll down and change the color. Change the color to blue, then increase the text according to your video. Select all and create a compound click. Now go to import and add your video which you want to add in your text. I will add the ocean video. Now select the video and then go to remove background and add chroma key. Select the color picker and drag to select the color. Now increase intensity and shadow. Now increase the size and export this video. Now delete all from the timeline. Go to the import and select your exported video. Then add this video into the timeline and select your background video. Now adjust your video. Now go to remove background again and add chroma key. Select the color picker and drag to select the color. There you go. In this way, you can add a double exposure in your text video. If you find my video useful, then please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you so much for watching.